In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Basecamp for clients. Whether you're managing projects for a small business or coordinating with a larger team, Basecamp can be an excellent tool to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your web browser and head over to Basecamp's website by typing in basecamp.com. This is where you'll start your journey in organizing and managing projects efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Make a New Project and click on it. This is your starting point for creating a dedicated space for your client's project. Now that you're ready to create a project, it's time to give it a name. Think of something that clearly identifies the project at hand. A descriptive name will help you and your clients easily recognize it at a glance, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once you have a name in mind, type it into the designated field. With your project named, the next step is straightforward. Click on the button that says Create this project. This action will set up your project space where all the magic happens. It's like opening a new file folder where you can store and organize all related materials and communications for this particular project. After creating your project, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to adding various tools that will help manage different aspects of the project. Basecamp offers several tools for organizing tasks, sharing files, and keeping everyone on the same page. Choose the tools that suit your project's needs. Once you've added the necessary tools, it's time to invite people to collaborate. Look to the top left of your screen and click on Invite People. This step is crucial for making sure that everyone involved in the project has access to the information they need to complete their tasks effectively. In the invitation section, you'll see an option labeled Clients. Click on this to proceed. This feature is specifically designed for working with clients, giving them controlled access to the project while keeping internal discussions private. Now, enable the option to Work with Clients. This setting allows you to customize what your clients can see and do within the project. It's a great way to maintain transparency with your clients while keeping your internal team communications separate. The final step is to click Add Client. This action will prompt you to enter your client's details, such as their name and email address. Once added, your client will receive an invitation to join the project. This step ensures that your client is kept in the loop and can collaborate effectively with your team. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a project on Basecamp for your clients. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient workflow, improving communication and collaboration with your clients. Remember, the key to successful project management is organization and clear communication, and Basecamp is a powerful tool that can help you achieve both. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.